Hey everyone, I'm Junie and I'm recording for IEOR 190G. For this week, I'll be discussing about some past cases relating to obviousness. I found out about the cases on Wikipedia and they are certainly very interesting and I recommend you to check it out as well. First off is the Sinclair and Carroll versus Interchemical Corp case in 1945. It involves a patent where Albert Gessler had supposedly invented a printer ink which dries almost immediately at high temperature while remaining as a liquid at room temperature. And he assigned this patent to Interchemical Corp, which then sued Sinclair and Carroll for infringement. We can certainly see how this ink is useful as it allows for fast printing on non-absorbent paper such as that used in magazines. Anyway, the overall judgment was that the patent was invalid as a result of how it was invented. Rather than invent per se, Gessler in 1930 had first made the ink to meet the requirements of being odorless by referring to a catalogue of chemicals and their properties and conducting tests thereafter. The odorless inks which he made were later rejected by the company which requested it for other reasons, but 2 years later, that same company requested for a heat drying ink, which is similar to what I described earlier, and Gessler had suggested immediately about his past creation since he already knew their properties. And since the ink's primary solvent was found from a catalogue, there was actually nothing new to it. It's probably based on luck, pure luck, that Gessler had created this ink, since the chemical in discussion was actually only released into market in 1929, which is a year before he was first given his task. While he should be credited for linking the chemical to the printing, it does not mean that he deserves the patent. And I think that this highlights the point that recognition is not tied to invention, which some of us may forget at times. We feel that our work is great and novel, and we would like to get it patented, sometimes mainly because it was difficult and it was not easy to find out, and we worked really hard to verify the claims. But if it was just based on hard work without much true innovation, most people also work hard as well, and they don't get patents. It should kind of be enough that we already get paid for what we do. Yeah, that's what I feel. How do you guys think? And that's it for this video. See you!